These are the guidelines for air domestic travel in India. Please follow these compulsory travel guidelines listed out by Ministry of Civil Aviation and other relevant authorities for a safe and a hassle-free flying experience. Passengers are required to wear face masks at all the times at the airport and in the flight. Passengers must arrive at the airport using a personal or an authorized vehicle only. All travelers above 14 years of age must have an Aarogya Setu app activated on their mobiles before arriving at the airport. Travelers are required to certify the status of their health through the Aarogya Setu app as safe. And then they need to go through the temperature screening. Only passengers who have completed web check-in will be allowed to enter the airport. Please do carry an e-boarding pass on your mobile, or alternatively you can carry the printout of the boarding pass. Travelers should report to the airport at least 2 hours prior to the departure time. Boarding gates will be closed 20 minutes before the departure. Only passengers who have flight departing in the next 4 hours will be allowed to enter the terminal building. Use of trolleys is not allowed. Only one check-in baggage and one cabin baggage will be allowed per passenger. Travelers are required to print and paste a pre-filled baggage tag and affix it on the bags. Or alternatively, they can mention the PNR number and the name on the paper and affix it on the bags. Elderly people, pregnant ladies, ailing individuals are advised to avoid air travel. And additionally, individuals who have been tested with COVID-19 positive or are staying in a containment zone should not travel. No meal service, newspaper or magazines will be available on the board. Travelers will be required to sign a self-declaration form. Important guidelines have been put in place by various airport authorities to ensure the optimum safety for all the travelers all the time. So let's see how will be the environment at the airport. Hand sanitizers will be made available at multiple locations within the airport. Usage-based sanitization or disinfection of all the passenger touchpoints will be conducted. Sanitization of baggage before entry into the terminal and upon arrival. Mats, carpets soaked with bleach, sodium hypochlorite solution placed at the entrance for disinfecting shoes. Clear transparent glass shield installed as a barrier between the passenger and the airport staff at high traffic touchpoints such as entry gates, check-in counters and security checkpoints. All airport staff will be trained, so these are the safe practices which will be followed by the airport. So please follow these travel guidelines for a safe and a hassle-free flying experience. Friends, I will keep on adding such informative videos. If you don't want to miss, please like this channel, subscribe it and share with your friends. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ आपकी दोस्त मोनिका. विश यू ऑल हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस. टेक केयर. बाय. थैंक यू.